It is finally time to give out some prizes. The Samyang 75mm f1.8 for Sony, and of course the free giveaway, the Nifty 50 little 50mm 1.8 for Sony too. Both of these are about to be won today. I must admit, you guys have been very patient with this little project of mine. It's something that I hoped I would have sold tickets on a lot quicker, but they haven't, so I'm not going to complain. We have sold enough tickets to finally do the draw for the Samyang 75mm 1.8, and of course the freebie, the little 50mm 1.8, has just been hanging around until we did that first draw. So to kick it off, we will be doing the draw for the 75mm and of course doing the draw for the 50mm 1.8. Some of you who are already on our Facebook page may have seen that draw has already just gone live, where I've pre-recorded, so I already know the winner, but I will put you over to that clip now in this video, so in case you haven't seen it, here is exactly who won. As you can see, this is everyone's name. This is the Nifty 50, as it were, was the correct answer for the 50mm 1.8. There were just over 94 entries. Some of you entered more than once. It was only one entry per person on the free giveaway for the 50mm 1.8. But as I said, we're going to draw the Samyang first, and here is the list for the Samyang. Here is everyone's names, everyone who entered. We actually only sold 77 tickets, correct answer tickets I should add. The answer was South Korea. To the question of where is Samyang based, obviously South Korea being the right answer, and there were only 77 tickets sold. In fact, it was only about 30 of you that bought tickets, so the odds of winning are extremely favourable on this one, I'm not gonna lie. So everyone has a number, you all have a ticket number, and to keep it random, everyone had a random ticket number, and I put those numbers into order to give you your order of 1 to 77. And then the random number generator, I'm using Google's random number generator. As you can see there, minimum 1, maximum 77, and all I got to do is click generate. Ignore that number 7, that was a test. So when I click generate, we will get the number, and I'll be able to tie it up with who has won on the list. For instance, if number 7 was to come out, that would have been George Rudolph. Sorry George, it's probably not going to be number 7, but we'll try it anyway, and let's see how we get on. 3, 2, 1, generate. Number 21. Number 21 is Linda Wisniewski. You correctly answered South Korea. You purchased your ticket on the 15th of September. You've been waiting a little while for this draw, I'm sure. So congratulations to Linda Wisniewski. I will send you an email. Please check your emails. Please get in touch if you don't hear anything. We will now move on, again without cutting. We have the Sony giveaway, and we have number of entries 94. As I said, 94 correct entries for the Sony 50mm 1.8. Let's go to another random number generator, numbers 1 to 94. Ignoring 66, I'm going to hit generate. We have number 54. Number 54 on the Sony giveaway is Graham Taylor. Graham Taylor, ticket number 5011, you've won with your correct answer of Nifty 50, the 50mm 1.8. Congratulations, Graham Taylor. And there we have it. As I am editing this video now, an email would have winged its way already over to Linda, the winner of the Samyang 75mm 1.8. We'll have a little chat and see if we can get some photos or video of you receiving this prize, which would be wonderful to be able to show the guys on here, and I hope that's okay with you as part of the terms and conditions. And also for you, Graham. Graham, you have won the Sony 50mm 1.8, a great little 50mm lens, and obviously one that was part of the free giveaway. And again, an email will be winging its way to you any moment now. So there we are, our first competition is done. These prizes are now gone. But we still have the Sony a6400 and the Samyang 85mm 1.4. Arguably bigger and better prizes to come, as well as these fantastic prizes that are available now. Tickets still available on the website. Make sure you go over to there. I'll be doing the draw in the new year, and what better way to start 2021 than with a new camera or a new Ultimate 85mm prime lens. Lots of other little projects that I've been working on this year, which I'm going to bring to you guys in the new year. Lots of how-tos, lots of guidance and help if you're looking at setting up a photography or filmmaking business. There really is a lot to come with a lot of extras, and again, all I ask for is a subscription. So if you could do that and keep watching my videos, that'd be great. A lot of you still watch all my older videos, which is great to see, all my lens reviews, and I'll still be doing that, so don't worry, that won't change. There'll just be some other things. And again, this channel is just a bit of a passion project for me, something that I've always wanted to do and just bring and make videos to you guys, and it's just something that doesn't really have an agenda. I just want to do it. I get to do what I want, nobody tells me what to do, and it's great. So I hope you guys are still getting quality videos and enjoyment out of them and taking things away. And as I say, in the new year there's lots of good stuff to come, but I won't overpromise. I'll wait and we'll see what happens, because as we all know what happened this year, anything can happen. I've just got high hopes for 2021, and we're looking really good that after a few months in, things will start to return to normal. So high hopes for 2021. High hopes if you want to get yourself a ticket and we can get some more tickets sold so these prizes can happen, and then maybe you can start suggesting any prizes you want to see, and we can see what we can do on that for you as well. So thanks again from me. It's been a weird 2020, I'm not gonna lie, but have a fantastic Christmas, festive period, whatever you celebrate, a great new year. As always, I'm Matt from Roto. Be kind, be safe, be the best that you can be.